Have you ever been told your fibroids are growing again? Maybe you've changed your diet, maybe you've had surgery, maybe you've tried everything, yet your fibroids keep getting bigger. If that sounds like you, this video could change how you think about fibroids forever. One of the biggest frustrations women face is seeing fibroids come back or continue to grow. Many women are told to focus only on the size. Has it grown? Has it shrunk? How many centimeters is it now? But size is not the only thing that matters. A small fibroid can cause big problems. A large fibroid may cause fewer symptoms. What really matters is how your body is responding. Are you having heavy bleeding? Are you tired all the time? Do you feel bloated? Do you have pain or pressure? Your body gives clues that something needs attention. Fibroids do not appear overnight. They grow over time. That is why looking only at the fibroid and not the whole body can leave women feeling stuck. The goal is not just to watch fibroids. The goal is to improve your health, improve your symptoms, and support your body. When you start looking at the bigger picture, everything changes. You stop asking, how big is my fibroid? And start asking, what is my body trying to tell me? If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And if you know another woman struggling with fibroids, please share this video with her. It could be the message she needs to hear today. I'll see you in the next video.